So, hi everyone. I am Anuj Kumar, working as a PMRF fellow in the Department of Paper Technology, IIT Roorkee. So, this session, this is basically a mock session dealing with this NPTEL course that is Colloids and Surfaces, coordinated by Professor Basuraj Madiwala Gurappa from IIT Madras. So, before introducing this course, I will just introduce something about myself. So, this is my profile, and here are some list of achievements that I have done in the previous years. And currently, I am working as a Prime Minister Research Fellow. Before that, I have qualified CSIR UGC NET two times in 2017 and 2020 respectively, and I have also qualified the gate exams in 2020 and 2021 respectively. During my MSc, I have got an outstanding thesis award, which was entitled as Chemical and Instrumental Analysis of Projects in Hydrochloric Capsules. So, in this project, I have basically used various analytical instrumental techniques for the chemical analysis of this antihypertensive drug. And after the MSc, I have joined the Mankind Research Center, and there I have done the internship for a period of approximately 6 months. And after that, I have joined there as a junior research associate, and learned a lot of instrumental techniques and their use in the drug analysis. So, I have also done the method development and validation there. So, this is just a initiative step for me to learn these various techniques. After thereafter, I have joined IIT Roorkee Saharanpur campus. There, I have worked uh, in a ONGC funded project, which was entitled "At Determination of Fluorinated Aromatic Carboxylic Acids in Aqueous Reservoirs with the Help of Solid Phase Extraction and GCMS Technique." So, after that, I have joined as a MHRD JRF in the Department of Paper Technology, in the same department, and I have worked here from 7 Jan 2020 to 15 February 2021. After that, I have got selected in this PMRF, and now I am working as a PMRF fellow. So, this course is basically allocated to me to work as a NPTEL TA. So, without wasting further time in these things, so I will go to my first and only questions for this session. So, basically, what the questions is demanding that a schematic representation. Basically, the eight mechanisms are shown here in this figure one: A, B, C, D, E, F, and G, H. So, these every two pairs leads to different mechanisms. So, let me select this. Uh, and so we have to just select the correct mechanism for these figures. So what is the question? That is identify the different mechanism listed in column A and match with the respective figure A to S. So column A and column B are shown in the next slide. That is, this is column A and column B. So the first one is the adsorption of polyelectrolytes. So polyelectrolytes are basically the polymers. So you have to select the which in which mechanisms the polymers having a different charge are adsorbing on the colloidal particle surface. So this is the colloidal particle, and on this surface, this is the polymer layer having positive charge. Similar to this one, this colloidal particle also adsorbing the polymers having negative charge. So G and H will be the appropriate option for this mechanism, that is the adsorption of polyelectronics. So G and H will be the correct match for this. Second one is the adsorption of ions. So basically, what we have to select is basically the colloidal the ions are adsorbing on the particle surface. So it is very clear from these and these mechanisms. Here are the hydrogen ion are adsorbing on this colloidal particle surface, and similarly the OH negatives are also adsorbing. So C and D will dealing with the adsorption of ions. So the correct option will be this one. And third is the adsorption of surfactants. So before going to the selection of the right option, we have to know what the moieties that the surfactants contain. So surfactant contains basically two moieties. They are called head and tail. So this is the tail. This is basically the hydrophobic part, and this is the hydrophilic part. So hydrophilic part is called head, and hydrophobic part is called tail. So from this concept, it is very clear that E and F options are the appropriate for this adsorption of surfactants. So just you have to select the E and F for this option, that is sixth one. Last one is the dissociation of charge groups. So A and B, the remaining options, but there are many other options also. So you have to be specific for that. So dissociation of charge groups. So basically, these are the charge groups SO3 O negative. So this is the minus charge. So you have to just see. So this is the SO3H. This is basically dissociated into SO3 minus H positive. So similarly, this is also dissociation. So this pair will deal with the dissociation of charge groups. So A and B will the correct option for this. So you have to select between these three options. So is the fourth, first is fourth, second is second. So correct option will be this one. So that's all for this session. Thank you very much. Let me stop presenting.